Hello everyone, this is RJ Wellington, and today is Wednesday, December 22nd, 2021, in your Earth's calendar. And I just released a new video, and again this video, the contents of this video cannot be played in this platform, so I invite you to check my Rumble link. It is below. If you are watching this right now from your computer, just look down and you see a link to my Rumble channel. Or if you are watching your cell phone and you see a small arrow besides the title of this video, you click on that arrow, it will open down and you see the link to my Rumble channel. This is a very important video with information on health, rejuvenation, DNA reparation, and cleansing your body from heavy metals, which is very appropriate for this moment in time. Okay, so don't miss it. If you want to watch, go to my Rumble channel. Thank you.